Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we made the best and the worst rated mac and cheese from Yumly. The recipes were actually quite similar in terms of ingredients, but the subtle differences had a huge impact on the results. The worst recipe used raw macaroni cooked in milk for 1 hour in the oven. It had minimal seasoning and no flour or binding agents for the milk and cheese, which resulted in a bland, chunky, curdled mess.
Bon appetit. Okay, so number 1, that texture is whack. Number 2, it's like Kraft Dinner, but you added too much milk. Number 3, it could use more cheese. It's weird because it doesn't taste horrible, but it's still bad, if that makes sense.
Because it took an hour to bake, no time was saved by not pre-cooking the pasta. Overall, it was a disaster, but an interesting learning experience. If you enjoy learning about the best and worst recipes on the internet, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We post a new video every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific time. You can also check us out on TikTok and Instagram. The best recipe called for pre-cooked macaroni and layers of flour and cheese topped with just a little milk for moisture. It was seasoned with some salt and pepper and put in the oven for 35 minutes. It baked up beautifully, and although we would have preferred a bit more seasoning and creaminess, it was a great, simple recipe.
This is the macaroni and cheese redemption arc. Improvement?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat the whole tray.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good.
We'd love to know your favorite mac and cheese style, so please share in the comments. Overall, it's safe to say the worst mac and cheese earned its bad reputation. The best rated one, while a little less flavorful than we prefer, is a winner for its simplicity and classic style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now!